Mount St. Helens National Volcanic Monument at the base of one of, I think it's the second most active volcano in the United States, the first most active being in Hawaii. But anyway, we are at a lava tube, which is called Ape Cave. We're about to hike in the lava tube with our headlamps. And then afterwards, we're going to drive all the way up to Climbers Bivouac, which is the base camp for climbing up to the rim. But we're just going to go up part way.
Here we are at Ape Cave. You know, this reminds me of that little hole in the ground we went to near Mount St. Helens.
Adams.
Adams, yeah.
When it was all covered in ice.
So this is what's called Ape Cave, and we're about to descend into it. It's a lava tube that was formed a while ago, and there's apparently an easy part and a really hard part. So we're going to give the easy part a go first, and then we'll see if we'll do the hard part. So Ape Cave in southern Washington state. This is a pretty insane lava tube. It's really tall. It must be 30 foot tall. And this end, the base of it is really flat.
The air hung heavy, a silent, unseen hand pressing down as we stepped into the maw of Ape Cave. The entrance, a jagged tear in the earth, swallowed the last slivers of daylight, plunging us into an immediate, profound darkness. The warm, bright world above vanished, replaced by a chilling 42-degree embrace that seeped into our bones.
Yeah, we're in the dark now, and it's completely dark, and we can't see anything.
Actually,
what does it feel like, darling?
You know what? It feels almost like dizzying because you can't tell which way is up and down. You feel like you're just floating in the void of space.
Floating in the void of space.
Our headlights, frail beacons against the oppressive void, became our only tether to reality.
So, is it crystals or is it?
I don't think so. I think there's a layer of something lichen, mold sort of thing, and then there's little tiny beads of water that are probably reflecting our headlamp. I don't think there is anything.
Well, we've made it to the end of the sort of easy one. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. What do you say, Julia?
It is awe-inspiring.
Yeah.
The lower cave, which was 3/4 of a mile to the end, and now we're planning to check out the upper cave, which is difficult, and I'm spelunking, which is 1.5 miles to the entrance.
Give it a go, eh?
It could get a lot worse, couldn't it?
So, that's it for us then. Can you turn your headlight to it? Can't really see it, it's so monstrous.
Ape Cave is incredible. But now we have to go find out how lava tubes are even formed.
Wow, we've made it. This is a ptarmigan trail. We've just discovered some wild lilies. Just walking in, just starting the hike. And talked to a few people that have been up to the summit already of Mount St. Helens. Not that we're planning on doing that, but sounds like it's a nice hike until you get to the summit where it gets really windy. And so I'm glad we've decided not to go up there. But yeah, can't wait to see what we see. It's going to be great.
The Ptarmigan Trail on Mount St. Helens is more than just a hike. It's a journey through a landscape that powerfully narrates destruction and rebirth. This path winds upward through an ecosystem reborn, a testament to nature's enduring spirit in an area once ravaged by the Earth's fury. As we begin our ascent, the trail's lower sections guide us through verdant forests where sunlight filters through the leaves and the air hums with returned life. Life flourishes all around us. The delicate glacier lily with its bright petals emerges as a hopeful beacon against the grey ash. Patches of wild flowers including lupines, crimson columbine, yarrow, asters and Columbia tiger lilies silently enrich our views and the soil, paving the way for other species. These resilient blooms are living proof of the land's remarkable ability to heal and regenerate. Soon the trees recede, revealing the raw, rugged beauty of the volcanic landscape. Each step on the gravelly path serves as a reminder of the immense forces that shaped this mountain.
Wow, we seem to have encountered the sort of one of the first volcanic rims of Mount St. Helens on the trail. You can sort of see all the broken volcanic basaltic rock and lava, and of course everything is covered in a very grey, sandy looking stuff, but in fact it's probably volcanic ash. Amazing. Well, we made it to the bottom of the ridge that is the giant crater left at the top of Mount St. Helens, and the rim of the crater is basically just up there, but we're not going up there because one, you have to have a permit, which we didn't even know about, but two, it looks like it's really hard work going up that scree. And
it's scree. I don't want to walk on scree. Somebody told us for every one step you take up, you get slide back half a step, 2 steps. I don't like that. I don't want to do it. I just want to go down.
There's still a bit of snow in that gully, and you can see ski trails. Somebody's gone up and then skied down.
That's like that guy on the Greenland sailing.
Yeah, it's not a ski enthusiast. But anyway, it's a beautiful day, and yesterday was stinking hot. I mean, it was really, really hot all day long. But today it's kind of cooled off a bit, and we've got above the clouds here, and we had a beautiful view of Mount Hood and Mount Adams back further down, and yeah, it's amazing.